How to activate Credit One Bank credit card online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to activate Credit One Bank credit card online. So first thing first, just head over to your respective app store or play store and simply download and install the mobile application of the One Bank credit card. And once you open the app, make sure you currently logged into your account. And once you successfully log into your account, you just have to find the activation option within the app's menu or settings and simply input your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code as usual. And if you're using a web version, that is website, you can always go to your account overview and look for the card activation prompt. And in the mobile, you can always look for the card activation prompt on your account dashboard. And from over there, you can just tap on the card activation and simply follow the on-screen instruction to successfully verify or activate Credit One Bank credit card online. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.